You've seen residential homes, you've seen businesses, and you've seen commercial properties, but when was the last time you saw a marina go up for sale?
This marina offers 146 slips, pontoon rentals, a fully stocked bait shop. It also offers a building 100 by 40 with a 2-bedroom, 1-bath apartment, ideal for a boat repair shop.
So we've got an online-only auction that begins on Monday, July the 6th at 7 p.m. and it begins to close on
Wednesday, July 16th
at 7 p.m.
Our open house will be Thursday, July 9th from 12 to 2 or by appointment only.